What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Giver Garage. On this episode, we're gonna be welding in a cage to Jimmy's BMW. It's gonna be sick. We got Cody over here, the master welder. He's gonna be burning in some boxes. So we can put that main hoop in right now. Check the cage out. There should be. Oh yeah. It's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass because it didn't come with any instructions or anything, so it's gonna be Cody hard at work putting the hoop together. That ass though.
This cut's not very even, bud.
Fine.
Welders don't use measure tapes. They just fuck
Clearly.
around.
Or they add more, take more away. So we're just giving her on the main hoop right now. The roll cage came with no instructions, so we're just winging it.
Well,
You got this, Code? You got it, buddy?
He doesn't know yet.
The good old Princess Auto Special wobbly blade over here is.
It's doing fucking.
Yeah, she's doing all right, eh? For how old's that thing?
Fuck 10 years.
She's vintage, man. We're gonna have to get a new blade tomorrow, though, eh?
Probably. I'm not cutting any through anything that's less than 10 inches.
Main hoop is going in.
fuck your ribs.
Good?
Yep. We'll see if she's good, bud. She's good, bud.
How does that look?
Looks good.
Ish.
I can only see from this angle, but from this angle it looks okay.
Looks okay. It's not horrible.
Looks alright.
Fun.
What do you guys think about the new safety glasses, huh? Look pretty sweet. Eh?
I got mine over there.
Alright, well, let's start taking off that seam sealer there, huh?
You think that's fucking good, Cody?
Yeah.
Where that is right there or back?
Just back a little bit right there. That's where we had when we took the.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? Yeah? Oh, wait. Do the door bar thing again?
Yeah, hold that.
Okay. Let's grab a door bar. I'm going to come over and help hold them. No, like it's got to go way up there.
But that's
Is
like
that
also
not notched or?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's supposed to be cut off.
Sounds good, sounds good. All right, well, let's get to ripping off this seam sealer.
Nice.
Give it. What's going on?
Adjusting the wire.
That's beautiful code.
I went over there and started looking at it.
Very nice.
Just made a little nest in here for gloves, not to burn the wires. Got a couple okay welds. Fucking one right there. Fucking had a little bit of trouble with the one in the groove there. Fucking got a little rusty. Got that out though. Going good. Same with the other side. Now it's just time to put the fucking bars that go over the doors, and we're done.
We're not even close to being done.
Done with the front.
Looks good, buddy. Good job. Looks good.
What do you think?
Notch time.
Let's cut off.
All right, I took off and got something to eat. These guys got so much work done. Whoo, damn. That looks good. Jimmy's playing with his pecker. That looks real good. So some may ask, why are you putting a cage in a drift car? That's just like grassroots drift car right now. It's because it's a convertible. And no tracks will let them go on without a roll cage. So, and who doesn't want a roll cage? That's just ballin'. All right, another bar's in. The top roof bar. Damn, they're working on the dash bar right now. Getting there. You gotta notch that one? Yeah. Code, how you doing, bud?
Not bad, just making the jig to notch it with.
Nice. Look at that, eh? Redneckery at its finest. Oh, Jimmy's just tacking the door bars in. As you guys can see, they look pretty dang good, man. All them notching. They're supposed to go like parallel. I'll show you in a bit, but we put them on an angle, so it turned out really nice. And it's a lot easier to get into. So yeah, the cage is coming along, man. It's looking good. It's just me and Jimmy here in the shop today. Nobody else wanted to come and help. Everybody was working, and our master welder Cody was sick, so we're just in here tacking away and, you know, just giving her. So we're getting her slowly but surely. She's coming along. And there's Jimmy's trunk lid that he used that plasma cutter to do some weight reduction. What do you think it weighs, Jimmy? Like 6 pounds?
Light.
Yeah, I don't know. She's super light. Oh yeah.
Maybe like 8 pounds.
8 pounds? Nothing. It looks pretty cool. We're gonna put some bars in here though to give it some more structure, but yeah, she looks damn cool. There's not much of the roll cage left though, really. We got the harness bars we gotta do. The bars that come back, we gotta blast through this like structure here to get the back bars to mount to the subframe rails or whatever. Right there. But yeah, we're gonna keep working, so I'll get back to you. Well, damn guys, that sucks. We ran out of welding gas, so we're gonna have to cut this video now. But check it out. The door bars are tacked in, the knee bars tacked in, and part of the harness bar is tacked in. This cage is looking dope, man. What do you think, Jimmy? You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's looking sick, man. It's looking real good. And we got a new plasma cutter sitting here, so make sure to watch that video. It's going to be out soon. So make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to just give her.